A critical part to the installation of any Boss clamp is to ensure that the bolts are started equally. Hand tighten all 4 bolts until the same amount of thread shows past each nut. Equal positioning at the start ensures an equal finish. All bolts must be good and snug before using the torque wrench. Set the torque wrench to the proper value for the Boss clamp being installed. The bolts must be tightened in a specific sequence. Start with a back bolt and do 1 full turn. Notice how 4 quarter turns were used. Cross over to the other side's front bolt and complete 1 full turn. Hand tighten the remaining 2 bolts so they are snug. Begin with the back bolt and complete 1 full turn. Cross over to the other side and complete 1 full turn on the last bolt. Continue with this sequence until the proper torque is reached. If you notice the bolts bending when tightening, don't be alarmed. The bolts are designed to bend. This allows the clamp to conform to the circumference of the hose. Proper bolt torque is essential. Incorrectly torqued bolts can cause leakage, disconnection, and irreversible damage to the assembly. Once the recommended torque has been reached, remove from the vise and inspect both sides for proper clearance and interlock. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at DixonValve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.